Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, wherever you guys are. This is Jordan. I'm back today with another video. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at Ethereum and see what it's doing on the long-term and short-term charts. If that sounds good to you, press that like button down below. Let's try to hit 110 likes on today's video. I did make a video yesterday, as you guys saw, because it was my birthday yesterday. I had a great day. Thank you guys for all the comments in yesterday's video. I didn't have a chance yesterday to reply to them, but thank you for all the happy birthday wishes. Now let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to this quick fractal for Ethereum, before we jump onto the video, I have my Patriots swag on today. Let me guys know in the comment section below if you guys are NFL fans and what team you guys are fans of. Pats are playing the Dolphins today, so let's get a big W. That's why I'm rocking the Patriots swag today. So we're going to jump quick into the fractal here. As you guys can see, this fractal is still playing out. I talked about this in my last Ethereum video, so if you haven't watched that one, watch that one first and maybe come back to this video, or just watch this video. I'll give you guys a quick synopsis of what's going on in this fractal. So we peaked out at this green box here, got a correction. Same thing, we're in here, peaked out at this box here and got a correction. This top blue fractal is from the previous Ethereum bull market back in 2017, right? Or 2016, 2017. And after we peaked out and got this sell-off, we had a long consolidation pattern here. Same thing, we got a long consolidation pattern here. This one, if you guys remember this one, it's about 3 months long, and it was so boring, right? It was just like we were just like, you guys see that meme where like Bitcoin, do something, Bitcoin, do something. This one, it was like all cryptos, do something, like trying to poke it with a stick, trying to get it to go up or even down. Like I'm extreme bear, but I want a bull. Like I want this thing to go up. But even me, I was like, if you're gonna dump, just do it, just get it over with, right? But after we had this long consolidation period, we had a quick pump up and into this blue next consolidation that we're in now, right? So same thing here, next consolidation. We made a high, right? Same thing here, we made a high. We had a sell-off, and then we came back up, right? So we had a high, had a sell-off, and then we came back up. So I see this in two scenarios of where we are in this fractal. I'm not 100% sure because this top fractal was a little bit longer. This one's happening a little bit faster. So we either could be right at this point here where my cursor is, right? Where we consolidate sideways for a little bit and then have one last dump to the downside, right? So that's definitely a possibility, and don't count that out. But we also could be where I put the end of this blue box. Same thing here at the end of this blue box. It could be exactly at that point where we get in one little quick final sell-off. Nothing major. Same thing here. One quick final sell-off. And then we continue sideways for a little bit. And then we continue up, right? So maybe we get one more little sell-off, maybe to the bottom of the top of this consolidation we had down here. We're going to go over that later on in this video. But we could go, a little consolidation to the side before continue back up just like this. So that's the two things. I don't know exactly where we are in this fractal, but the fractal is playing out perfectly. It's just that today's price action is going a little bit faster than this previous bull market price action, right? So we're going to jump into the next chart for Ethereum real quick, guys. And that's just kind of talking about what I just outlined in the last fractal, right? So this is the possible second option where we get, a little bit of a dump off and then continue up, which is what I think will happen, right? It's just my prediction. So don't jump ahead of yourself and think that this is not going to happen, right? So this was extreme resistance level down here for Ethereum where we got that first dump and we got rejected on this with multiple daily candles. I see us maybe coming back down to retest that, confirm it as support before moving up, right? Just like the last bull market did back in the fractal that we just looked at. So that is what I think is going to happen. Don't take it for financial advice. Do what you think is going to happen. Do your own research. Do your own technical analysis. That's just what I see happening within the next few days to weeks for Ethereum, right, guys? So the other possibility that I see is us dumping down to tops, right? The top of this consolidation range at about 250, right? I see a quick, if we dump past this here, past this like 320 level, I see us doing a quick maybe wick, like 1 or 2 day wick down to the top of this at 250. I think that'll get bought up so fast because these institutional investors are looking for any cheap coins to get in because they know what's coming in the next few months, right? I know what's coming in the next few months. I hope you guys know what's coming in the next few months, but the big money, the smart money, knows what's coming within the next year or two, right? 2021, 2022, I expect to be great years for cryptocurrency. They know what's happening. I know what's happening. I hope you guys do as well. So we're going to jump into the next chart for Ethereum real quick, guys. And that is the possible bearish pattern that is playing out for Ethereum. We can't, we can look at the bullish stuff all we want, but we can't count out the bearish things that are also happening in the market, right? So we do have this bear flag here that is playing out, right? So we've gotten, 1, 2, and 3 major touches on the top, and we've gotten 1, 2, 3 major touches on the bottom. Now, what would confirm this for me is if we have come back down and get a bounce off the bottom of this. That would be bearish in my opinion if we do get a bounce at the bottom of this, because usually these bear flags are bearish patterns, right? It's in the name, bear flag, bearish pattern. They do tend to break to the downside very often. They could break to the upside, don't get me wrong. And these cryptocurrencies love doing exactly the opposite of what we think is going to happen all the time, right? You guys ever buy, think it's a great buy, and then all of a sudden it just dumps? It's like every time you buy, it dumps, or every time you sell, it pumps. So it's human emotion. The cryptocurrency market makers love to toy with your emotions, right? So yes, this is a bearish pattern. Do I think it's going to break to the downside? High probability of no, but there always is that possibility that this bearish pattern could break out to the downside, guys. So don't rule that out at all. That's kind of what I wanted to talk about for Ethereum today. We're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin as well, like I do at the end of all my videos. You guys know I love to do that, because at the end of the day, what Bitcoin does is what the altcoins are going to do as well, right? So as you guys can see, we are in this possible ascending triangle pattern. I don't think any other YouTuber has really pointed this out, really. So I just wanted to point this out to you, that we've gotten 2 touches on the top here, exactly at the same spot. Now, this could be a possible double top, so don't rule that out as well. But look at this upward support that is forming here, right? We got 1 touch here, 2 touches, 3 touches. Now, if we get a bounce off the bottom of this, that could be extremely bullish and possible breakout to the upside if we do get a bounce at the bottom of this, right? If we do break this, that probably confirms that this is a bearish, that is going to break to the downside. But I do see us holding this support box, somewhere in this green box. I think is gonna be the bottom, right? I don't see us going below this green box for Bitcoin, just because 4-digit Bitcoin is such a psychological great buy that all these market movers are gonna buy up anything in the 9,000s, right? Whether it hits 9999 or 9000, these market movers are gonna buy that up like crazy. And I hope you guys are doing the same, because I don't see it going down below, bearing something crazy happening like it did back in March, right? But that's totally unpredictable. No one knows that. I don't know that. Bill Gates doesn't know that, right? That no one knew that what happened in March was going to happen, right? Let's be honest. Maybe a couple weeks before you had a prediction, but no one expected it to go from 10,000 to 3,000, whatever, in a matter of like 2 days, right? That's crazy. But that's kind of my analysis for Ethereum and Bitcoin today, guys. We're still waiting to see what this consolidation patterns do, whether it break up to the upside or downside. Who knows, right? Who knows? We can just live our life. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day today. Leave a comment in this comment section below of what altcoins you guys want me to talk about in next week's videos. I'd love to talk about anything you guys want me to talk about. Also, like I said, guys, if you guys are NFL fans, like I'm a Pats fan, let's go. First season without Tom Brady. Let's see if we can still make it happen. Let me know if you guys are NFL fans and what teams you guys are a fan of. I'd love to hear, and I'd love to get some conversation started about that, because I love football. I love sports in general. So hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Don't stare at the charts all day. Do something today that is going to improve your life. Go to the gym, meet a new friend, start a side hustle, do something that's going to improve your life. Don't stare at the charts all day. It's not going to change the price. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.